Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're making Chinese steamed pork buns in our Cook Expert in the extra large steamer, and that enables us to do a really large quantity. I'll show you that in a moment. But before I do, I will talk about the settings. Now the beauty of the Magimix products is that their longevity, they're made to last for years and years. And the Cook Expert has 30 years guarantee on the motor, and it's astoundingly strong. So they don't make it disposable. Basically, if there's anything new that happens, you can just download it from the website and upgrade your machine. So you don't need to spend thousands of dollars renewing your machine every couple of years. 30 years. It will last you with all the latest things that you need to do. Now, with the Cook Expert and the steamer, you go to settings. So once you've bought it, you need to activate it on the machine. You go to settings and you just go OK, and then you scroll down to accessories and you go OK, and you go OK, you scroll up and down till you see the steamer XXL, and you OK it, and so from there you will it will be on your screen. So when you go rolling around, when you go to cooking, you can then go cooking, you will see it appear on your screen. Okay, so really that's how simple it is. So I love it. You never have to upgrade your machine. All you need to do is upgrade the software when there's new things available. And they're free. So all of that's free. So I'm not actually going to make all of this in here. I'm going to show you how I did. You'll see the ingredients in the post of this video. And so I threw it all into the Cook Expert, into the metal bowl, and ran it through on baking. You'll go through on cooking, blending, baking, okay, and then you go to the bread, okay, so then you run that twice, okay, you run it twice, because I like my dough to be really kneaded well, and sometimes even 3 times, but twice is enough. So you run it through the program, and then you run it through the program again. So then the dough is really well kneaded. After that, you need to sit it in the bowl for an hour to rise. Okay, so sit it in a bowl for an hour to rise. And there, I actually go to Expert, and I put it in for 1 hour on no rotation, so you don't want the blade to turn, and I put it on to 35. So 35 degrees for 1 hour, not turning, and it actually keeps the bowl really warm and helps the dough rise. So once you've risen the dough, you bring it out, and I've left a bit out here for you. So, and then you've got your dough. So it's going to be a larger piece of dough. You roll it out. You roll it out. Okay, you roll it up like that, and then you cut it into 50-gram pieces. So this is where you use your scales. Here we have it, and turn it on so you touch the tar, and you cut a bit off and you weigh it, and that's 47, so that's close enough for me. So that's 49, that's close enough for me. I'm getting good at this. That's 46, so I'm going to add a little bit to it. There you go. So 39, that's 50. Well, I'll just divide those into here because they're a bit small. So it's important to actually weigh up your pieces, then they're all the same. So it's really lovely. You roll them out, and in this case here, I actually put some meat in it, and again, the ingredients of this meat is in the post. So just have a look, it's very simple. So, and basically it's pork and cabbage and some spring onion and some sauces. So you take it in and you just pleat it across. So you just bring it in and gather it and pleat it across and across and across and across like that. Okay, and there it is. Now, with a bit of baking paper, I just pop it on like that and put it in there. Now, if you're actually just doing a bun without any filling, which is what I like to do sometimes, okay, so you roll it out and then you just fold it into each other like that. Okay, turn it over so that it looks nice and round, and pop it on your paper like that. Okay, that's really all you need to do. Now, I'm going to show you the results are really staggering. So I'll actually take the whole thing off like that. So I've done 2 layers in here. I've used this layer here and also this basket. I put the basket inside. Now you can lift it because it has these great handles, and there's my buns here and here. So I've run that through the steaming process once. I started it with boiling water and then I just ran it through the steaming process once. And the other tip is once it's finished, leave it alone without touching it for 5 minutes. And the reason being is then the dough stays really nice. If you open it as soon as it's finished, the dough can sort of collapse in a bit. So leave it for another 5 minutes and the dough is really lovely. So there's my steamed buns. Fantastic. Okay, so the recipe makes all of these steamed buns and really easy, really fast. You'll love it. You'll do it all the time. They're so delicious. And of course you can fill them with anything you like. Any kind of veg. If you're a vegetarian, you can put vegetables into it. You know, really it's up to you. So they're very delicious. Okay, enjoy using your Cook Expert, your extra large steamer, and know that your machine is for 30 years. So don't think you have to replace it. It's fantastic. Share this video, and because I think it's really important that people know. Okay, take care, enjoy, and I really hope you love making these stem buns. Bye.